Rustic Grandmacore kitchen decor. Vintage elegance with wooden furniture for a cozy, inviting space. Rustic Grandmacore kitchen decor offers an enchanting blend of vintage elegance and cozy charm, crafting a space that evokes nostalgia while remaining inviting. This timeless style celebrates the appeal of well-loved wooden furniture, delicate lace accents, and endearing antique details that weave a narrative of warmth and tradition. Central to this aesthetic are focal decor elements like vintage china displays, handcrafted kitchen textiles, and open wooden shelves adorned with rustic ceramics. Each of these components contributes to a sense of lived-in beauty, turning your kitchen into a haven of comfort and connection. To truly foster this welcoming ambience, layering textures is essential. Imagine distressed wood cabinets complementing the soft sway of floral curtains, all illuminated under the gentle glow of classic pendant lamps. A farmhouse dining table, accompanied by mismatched chairs, introduces a casual yet sophisticated vibe, while features like an apron-front sink and brass fixtures enhance the old-world appeal. The heart of the kitchen is often found in the cooking area, where a vintage stove stands proud or open shelving with glimmering copper pots becomes a striking focal point, merging function with character. Incorporating elements of nature further elevates the rustic Grandmacore aesthetic. Fresh herbs in ceramic pots bring life and color, while hanging dried flowers infuse an organic touch, transforming your kitchen into a cozy retreat reminiscent of simpler times. Whether you're baking homemade pies or savoring a quiet cup of tea by the window, this design style transforms your kitchen into a welcoming sanctuary filled with warmth, history, and affection. Through the integration of rustic details, vintage allure, and carefully chosen focal decor, you can create a kitchen space that transcends time, evoking an inviting atmosphere that fosters connection and comfort. This style not only celebrates the past, but also embraces the present, allowing for a seamless harmony between elegance and coziness. By marrying nostalgia with functionality, the Rustic Grandmacore kitchen becomes more than just a culinary workspace. It becomes a cherished hub of activity where memories are made and traditions are shared. Whether your day begins with a hearty breakfast at a sunlit nook, or concludes with a family gathering around a lovingly worn table, this inviting aesthetic ensures your kitchen remains at the heart of your home, a true testament to timeless design and heartfelt living.